recently purchased the lovely C5, Sinclair C5, and a lot of the stuff is in its boot. First time we've opened it. Hopefully a rat won't come out. Ooh, just a few cobwebs. Hopefully. I don't want to get too close. Oh. What's that?
Reflector. Okay. Ring mirrors.
Oh, cool.
Super cool. Contact cover.
What's that?
Plastic brackets, I guess, for the wing mirrors. Loads of them. This is grim.
What's that?
I hope it's the tool set.
What's in there?
Yeah. Yes, tool set for the. Oh my god. It's gone anodised. That's a tool to get the wheels off. I need that.
Oh, cool.
This is awesome. Another wing mirror. I'm waiting to see a rat in here.
Oh, it's that does look like nesting from a rat. What's that? What's in there?
It's hopefully the weather gear. Yep. That's the weather gear to wrap around the buggy.
I thought it was a coat, the weather gear.
There's one for this, and there's one for actually wearing.
Oh,
So that's kind of cool.
that's brilliant.
Oh,
Is there anything else in there?
There's nothing ratty.
What's that?
Sinclair side panels. Side panels in a bag, never been opened.
Yes.
Left side panels. Those are side panels. And I guess these are as well. I think you've got two sets.
Is that like a cover thing then?
But these go along the side somehow. I'll have to work these out. Yeah. They've got to be side panels. We'll work them out.
Okay.
And something else. Looks like spares.
What is it?
I don't know. It's a spare something.
It looks like something to do with the wings. Motor? If I keep saying car parts, I might get there eventually.
Yeah. Well, I'll put it on the forum and say, what's this?
Is it all empty?
There's another, something else in it.
Oh. Oops. I think it's actually on that metal.
Oh, that's a spare micro switch for the throttle. I don't know what they are. Spare nuts and bolts and stuff. Just bits and bobs. Don't know what. What's on the floor. In the bag.
Is there still stuff in there?
More,
I didn't see.
more nuts and bolts. I think they're for the wing mirrors. Spare clip. That's it. That's it. Done. Oh, that's it. Done.
Cool.
Cool. Takes apart now. Clean it. Thank you.
It's alright.
Okay, so this is how the C5 looked when we first had it. It wasn't particularly bad. It was just a bit dusty, a bit of grot. Nothing that we couldn't actually get rid of. So me and the foster boy, we decided to start to obviously clean it down and start to renovating it. Got it up to a reasonable standard before we did anything to it, as you can see. We've obviously been through this back box before in the previous part of the video. So then we fitted the wing mirrors just to see how they would look, and they all fitted pretty well. Started to have a look at the battery box. Unfortunately, we couldn't salvage the battery box as it was the original battery box, which was really upsetting. It was obviously completely dried out, as you'll see in a second. There was nothing left in it in terms of any acid whatsoever. So that's still here, but we haven't fitted it. Electronics all in pretty good shape, all complete, as you can see, all clean, tidy. The thing hadn't actually been used that much particularly, just a bit of crud from being stored in a garage. These are wire connectors underneath the tunnel. So this is the motor when we took it out. So again, started to strip it down. Nothing particularly difficult here, just a few bushes and whatnot. As you can see in this part of the screen, when you take it apart, unfortunately you have to break these clips off, which are the clips that hold it together. I can't remember exactly what we did now, because it's a little while ago when we did this, but we were able to replace the plastic cover. This is the brake shoes and the brake drums, obviously in really good condition, not been used. Unfortunately we replaced the rubber top because it had cracked and corroded. Then we took the frame to be renovated, to powder blasted. As you can see, it turned out pretty well when we started to put it back together again. Well, in fact, it was mint. It looked really, really good. Yeah, this is again still putting the frame back together, and a few shots of before we put the actual body back on. And here it is in its splendour, pretty much complete, ready for a test drive and ready to test the electronics that we put back together again. You might see a few shots of my minis in the background, as you do. Here we go. So give the indicators a go. That switch is really quite stiff. So we've got an indicator. Yeah, we're doing something, Dee. Yeah, we're doing something. Yeah, okay, so indicators, that's right. Let's put that back in the middle. And then do the light on this side. So we have a light. Leave it on. Yeah, turn it on. The light, yeah. Okay, power. Turn the light off. Power. On the switch. Yeah. Superb.
Amazing.
Amazing. Do a drive-by.
It's amazing.
Do a drive-by. Keep steering, keep steering. That's it.
I did it that time.
Yeah. It's the future. It is. I've just finished renovating the thing, so he's test driving it. Yeah.